Hi, it's Emma from Enchanted Soul. Welcome to your guided meditation for relaxation. Find yourself a quiet place to relax. Let your hands rest loosely in your lap or by your side. Now gently close your eyes. Just allow peace to come into your body and into your mind. Take a long, slow, deep breath in through your nose, all the way down into your stomach. Hold the breath for just a moment, and then exhale through your mouth. Allow your breath to carry away all the stress and tension as the air floods out of your lungs. Feel that the tension in your body has begun to loosen and subside. Feel yourself relaxing more and more deeply with each breath. Bring your awareness to your feet and toes. Now breathe in deeply through your nose, and as you do, gradually curl your toes down and tense the muscles in the soles of your feet. Hold your breath for just a few seconds and then release the muscles in your feet as you breathe out. Now bring your awareness to your calf muscles. Breathe in deeply, and as you do, point your toes up towards your knees and tighten these muscles. Hold for just a moment, and then let those muscles go limp as you exhale. Now take a deep breath in and tense the muscles in your thighs. Hold for just a moment and then release all those muscles. Focus on letting them go limp and loose. Draw in a nice deep breath and then tighten your stomach muscles. Hold for a moment. Now release your breath and let your muscles relax. Bring your awareness to the muscles in your back. As you slowly breathe in, arch your back slightly and tighten these muscles. Now release your breath and let the muscles relax. Pull your shoulders up towards your ears and squeeze these muscles as you breathe in deeply. Now breathe out completely. Let your contracted muscles go loose and limp. Feel the heaviness in your body now. Enjoy the feeling. Breathe in again. Clench your fists and tighten all the muscles in your arms. Squeeze the muscles as you hold your breath. Now release and gently breathe all the way out. Let your arms and hands go loose and limp. Now, tighten the muscles in your face by squeezing your eyes shut and clenching your lips together. Breathe in fully. Hold this for a moment. And now breathe out and relax all your facial muscles. Feel your face softening. Take a deep breath in and then open your mouth as wide as you can. Feel your jaw muscles stretching and tightening. Now exhale and allow your mouth to gently close. Take one final deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. Hold for just a moment and then release and relax. Let all that air carry away every last molecule of tension. You are now completely relaxed from the tips of your toes to the top of your head. Enjoy this feeling for as long as you like. Take your time, and when you are ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me for this meditation. I hope to see you again soon. Namaste.